Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here, and I'm very excited for this video because today I received a very special, new and exciting product. It's the new Anastasia and Jackie Aina, I don't know if I pronounced that right, I'm so sorry, eyeshadow palette. As soon as I saw the packaging, I fell in love. It's something different from Anastasia's packaging and I loved it so much, and my nails kind of match with it. I had to do them like that for this video. But I'm going to start off really quick with showing you the swatches, and later on, you guys can fast forward obviously if you guys want to, just go straight into the eyeshadow tutorial. But I am going to talk a little bit about the formula. As you can see, I obviously already tried it on, so I can tell you how I feel about the formula and what I think about this palette. The swatches are beautiful. They all swatched really good. The shimmery ones feel creamy. There's one that felt a lot more creamier. I forgot which one it was. I think it was, I don't remember. But they all feel very smooth, very creamy, and I was just so excited to try it out. Everything about this palette, the most important things work so good, and you guys will see later on in the tutorial. And the packaging for the eyeshadow palette, the box it came in, is just gorgeous. I love everything about it, and Jackie did so good. Before we continue, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family, and also turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Let me know in the comments below if you are new, and if you want to see what I think of this palette, how the eyeshadows work and everything, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with this one, and I'm dipping into the eyeshadow, and you can see there's no fallout, and I do get a lot of product on the brush. And I'm going to apply this on my crease. I'm just going to go back and forth, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush. And you guys can see right away that this eyeshadow is very pigmented, and it seems like it's so easy to blend out, and we'll see in a bit if it's buildable. So this right here is only one layer, and I'm not really focused on the eyelid, so it doesn't really matter how it's looking right there. All of that matters is how it's blending out on my crease, and a little bit above my crease. It looks like it is blending out really nice. I just dipped the brush into the palette one more time, and I just want to see if this eyeshadow is buildable, because there are times that some palettes that you try to apply more on top, and it just pretty much blends what you already have. It blends it out, or like it disappears, or it's just not buildable. But this one, it seems it deepened up the shade a little bit already, so it's pretty buildable, and it's really nice. The color is really nice, and I love that how it's blending out. Okay, so far so good. I am loving it. On to the next eyeshadow, which is, okay, with the Anastasia brush, I'm gonna take this side of the brush, and I already got the eyeshadow. It's this one right here, and I can't really tell like what, because it's not shimmery like these down here, but it has a little something in there, so it's not completely matte. Let me just dip into the eyeshadow one more time so you guys can see that it doesn't have fallout at all. And I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'll do it in tapping motions. All the eyeshadows that I apply on the eyelid, I like to do them in tapping motions. And I'm going to slowly start blending it out into my crease and the outer corner of my eye. Okay, now that it's on my eyelid, I'm going to start blending it out, and I'm just going to switch sides. I'm going to grab this other side, and it's clean. And I'm just going to use this to blend out the edges. So I'm just going to go in circular motions, and I want to keep this eyeshadow just on the outer part of my eye. Okay, this one's also blending out really nice. It's not as pigmented as the first eyeshadow, but let me see. I'm going to add a little more. I got a little more on my brush, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just tap it to see if it's buildable. Tap it on top of that, and then I'm also gonna have to blend this out to see if it stays or if it disappears. It is buildable, and it blends out really nice. Before I go into the shimmery eyeshadows, I'm going to apply concealer on my eyelid, and this is just so the shimmery eyeshadow can really hold onto my eyes. Also so they can be very pigmented and stand out. And I don't want the edges to be harsh, so I'm going to blend out the edges on my crease and also on my lid. Before the concealer dries up completely, I'm gonna quickly go into this eyeshadow right here. It's so gorgeous. When it grabs, I don't know if it's focusing. Yeah, it's focused. You can see it got a lot of the product on the brush, and it seemed there's no fallout at all with any, well, all the three eyeshadows that I've tried so far. And it does get a lot of the product on the brush. So I'm just gonna go, I'm just going to apply this directly on my eyelid. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. This eyeshadow is so pretty. And I can't choose an eyeshadow that's my favorite because I love them all from this palette. I normally have one that like catches my eyes like as soon as I see it, but this palette has so many gorgeous colors, and I'm so happy that they're all pigmented. They're all applying, well, the ones that I've tried so far, obviously, they're applying so nice. So far, I am loving this palette. So I'm going to grab the Anastasia brush again with the same eyeshadow I applied right here. And I'm just going to do the same thing, apply it in tapping motions on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm just doing this so I can blend out the shimmery eyeshadow with this matte eyeshadow. Just so they can mix in together really nice. Okay, I just finished this eye and I applied my eyelashes. And these are Dodo lashes, D115, I believe. I'll have everything in the description box below. But I wanted you guys to see before I continue to my lower lash line, the little fallout you get with these eyeshadows. You don't get much. I haven't wiped anything yet. You can see just a little bit right here, which is nothing, pretty much. It is nothing. It's really good. And this eye has been so watery. And you can see right there, the concealer and foundation is already like completely off because I keep going like this. But I don't know, that's just gonna ruin the eye look, but just know that it's not the palette, it's just my damn eye keeps watering. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna grab this tiny little brush and I'm gonna grab this eyeshadow again, and just so you guys can see, dipping in the brush in there again, and there's no fallout whatsoever. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in over here to the inner corner because I'm gonna put a shimmery eyeshadow right there and also on this little part right here. So I'm just gonna keep it right here, and this is, I dipped the brush one more time. So this is 2 layers of the same eyeshadow, and it's looking really cute. I'm loving this look. It's actually not looking that bad right here, but you can still see that it's very watery. But oh yeah, last eyeshadow I'm going to apply is this one right here. It's a very gorgeous gold shimmery eyeshadow. I want to use this as an inner corner highlight, so I'm going to apply it right here. It's so pigmented. I love putting shimmery gold shimmery eyeshadows right here as an inner corner highlight. I'm also going to bring it in right here. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look, and let me know if you want another tutorial, and tell me what colors you want me to use next, and I'd be more than happy. I am going to do another tutorial for sure because I want to try out the other eyeshadows, maybe the purples, pinks, a yellow, I don't know, because I really love this one right here. But let me know what colors you guys want to see in my next tutorial, and tell me if you guys would like, or if you guys would buy this palette. I'll have it in the description box below once it's out, so you guys can, in case you guys want to buy it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this whole look, of this palette, if you would buy it. And last thing I want to say is congratulations to Jackie. You did so good. I loved it. I really loved it so much, and I recommend it 100%. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!